Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're having fun today.
Aye, we are, Kōkā. We're sliding in roto, groups of 2, because we're going to day camp. And I have to take 2 things the same. We thought if we slide down together, we might decide what 2 things to take.
Oh, how's that going?
Not very well. We're having too much fun laughing. Let's all sing. Ngahere o te waka e tia, e ranga. Ngahere o te waka e ranga, whakatere a te waka. Te tauihu o te waka, wahia, wahia. Wahia ngā ngaru o te moana, kia rere te waka. Ngāti heru o te waka, tāngia, 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 tāngia te riu o te waka. Te taupokina, te kaiungi o te waka, koropetia, koropetia, koropetia. Koropetia te waka, kia tika, kia tau ai ki uta. Ngā hoe o te waka, ngā hoe o te waka, Hia wehi.
You sing so well, Tākaro Tribe.
Yay! But we still don't know what 2 things to take with us.
Perhaps you could ask Pāpā Rākau to help.
Good idea, Kōkā. Let's go, Tākaro Tribe.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Pāpā Rākau, Or and I have to take 2 things to the same hōpuni day camp. But we don't know what to take.
Perhaps Tāne Mahuta has sent you 2 things.
He has! I have 2 pere blueberries. And I have 2 ropere strawberries, my favourite.
Let's take a look at what your friends are eating today. But now, it's time to go to camp.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Who will take you?
Yay!
Whoa!
Watch out! Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. Do you all have your items for the day camp?
Aye!
Kia pai te rā. Remember to visit Kōkā on your way home.
Hei konei rā, Pāpā Rākau!
Look down, Tākaro Tribe. Can you see your day camp?
Whoa, we can! And there's the landing strip!
Let's circle around, then land.
Kia ora, Ngāti Tākaro! Kia ora, koutou!
Time to come inside, everyone! Ooh, perhaps you would like to do our opening karakia.
Kia tipu ngā rākau, kia pua, kia hua. Kia tihau ngā manu, kia tonu i te wao. Kia ai o tonu te mata o te whenua. E ora ai te katoa, e ora ai te ao. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Ka pai u! Today, we are going to learn about the number 2. But first, does anyone know what this is in my puku?
A clock!
It's a clock that goes tick-tock and tells us what time it is. Do you know what time it is telling us now?
Call!
I have a little waiata that will help you tell the time. Group Purple, do you know what the time is now?
Rua karaka, 2 o'clock.
That's right. I chose that time because today we are learning about the number 2.
Yay!
Group Purple, what 2 items did you bring to hang on the tree today?
We bought 2 blueberries.
Group Red, what 2 items did you bring to hang on the tree today?
We brought 2 ropere, strawberries.
Well done. It's time to sing our waiata about number 2. What fun we have learning about the number 2. But now it's time for your home time karakia.
Angi angi hauraro, māta he hengi mai. E hoka ai ki runga, ka huri, ka whai. I te aratika ki te kāinga, ka hoki haumaru ai. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Kia ora tamariki mā, noho mai ki tōku taha, noho mai ki tō Kōkā taha, Hei Māori ora. Kia ora Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn today in day camp?
We learned about the number rua, 2.
Would you like to learn to spell the word rua, 2?
Ai! Rua!
Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā!
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe. Have you had a good day today?
Oh, ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka mau ke te wehi. Let's take a look at what you did today. Tāne mahuta sent you 2 blueberries
I have 2 blueberries.
and 2 strawberries.
I have 2 strawberries.
You learned to tell the time 2 o'clock. Rua karaka. And you sang the number 2, waiata. You also learned to spell the word rua. R-U-A. Rua. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe. Oroi ato mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto